is Sharon Osbourne, wife of former lead singer of the heavy metal band Black Sabbath, Ozzy Osbourne. Now, if you will recall, some of you may recall that in 2021, Sharon stepped away from the spotlight. But in this week, she was thrown back into the spotlight, and it was because of her weight loss. You would be tempted to believe that it is because of some ailment that she's going through. I want you to stick around. Please stick around, because the drugs that is responsible for this weight loss that is against or out of her control could be something that is in your cabinet this very moment, or something that it's a drugs that perhaps a loved one of yours is currently taking. You do not want to miss this one.
Warning. Headstrong, sturdy, rounded down to earth, earthy, spicy, jerky, ruthless flows.
3, 2, 1. Sharon Osbourne was one of the very first celebrities who openly admitted to be using these drugs from as early as 2022. However, now Sharon has openly admitted that things are out of her control. This week, and from all these photographs that you are seeing, you can see that there is a big difference between the way that she now looks and the way that she looked before. As someone who was often in the public's eye, being a member of or being on the panel of Britain's Got Talent and also on the panel of shows in America, Sharon Osbourne is not afraid of the spotlight. She is not afraid of criticism. She is so used to it. And if you know anything about her, she is one of those persons who you will say that she has a big mouth on her. But this week, Sharon has openly confessed that Ozempic is to be blamed for what she is going through, for the bizarre way that she looks nowadays. She has admitted that things are now out of her control, in that now she has lost some weight. When she wanted to stop, the weight would not stop coming off her, even when she had stopped taking Ozempic. It had gotten to the point where she is now looking at herself and she is saying that she does not like how she looks. She would want to put on 10 more pounds, but she's afraid that no matter what she does, the weight, she is just not gaining weight. So what I want to do is to tell you 10 reasons in this video why you should not be taking Ozempic. First, I want to tell you what Ozempic is, and you know why people take it, and why this could happen to you. I know that in today's society, everybody wants things to happen immediately, but based on, I hope that after hearing what it is and how it can affect you, that people will want to put these drugs aside for a bit and try to lose weight the normal way. So what is Ozempic? Ozempic is a medication approved by the US Food and Drugs Administration back in 2017 for managing type 2 diabetes in adults. So yes, this medication is not a weight loss medication. It is a medication for managing diabetes. But of course, people realized that they could lose weight on it, and as a result of that, people started using it or misusing it for losing weight. So let me continue reading. So it was a medication approved back in 2017 to manage type 2 diabetes in adults. It's administered as a once-a-week injection and works by stimulating the pancreas to produce more insulin, thereby helping to control blood sugar levels. But now people are being prescribed, or they are going to the doctors telling them that they want to be on this medication. The thing about it is that the injection is not cheap. It can cost you as much as £200 per injection, which is per week. Now, with Sharon Osbourne, she has been doing some interviews because people are expressing concerns over the way that she looks. She does not come out in public often, but now, she said that it is getting to her. So let me tell you what happened. So earlier this week, Sharon said that now her weight is just over 98 pounds. And she remains frustrated. She says, I need to put on 10 more pounds. But however much I eat, I stay the same weight. Even doctors are baffled by her inability to regain weight. So originally, this thing was designed to lose a little weight, and you hear why it was being prescribed for type 2 diabetes. That's originally what it was developed for. So now we are hearing that this is a case where people are experiencing some side effects, and it is unwelcome side effects as well. Sharon Osbourne is not the first person to have come out to say that, look, this thing is not working, and she has been encouraging people not to take it as well. So she's discouraging the use of Ozempic to lose weight. So why should you not take it? Here are 5 reasons. Number 1 is the side effects of Ozempic. Here are the side effects. It says that, like most drugs, the biggest issue is nausea and tummy ache. Ozempic is likely to cause gastroenteritis gastrointestinal issues as well, and that will make you feel less hungry. So maybe that's what the drug is also doing to help you to lose weight. Number 2 is the cost of Ozempic. It says here that it is expensive. And remember, I said that it could take you as much as, let me see, the typical price starts at £150 per injection per week. And that works out to a whopping £600 per month. So you can see that it is not cheap. Number 3 is the benefits. Yes, it will help you to lose weight, but once you stop taking it, then the weight will come back on. So you can see why it makes sense that you just do it the right way, either by going to the gym, monitor your portion as well, your portion of food. So you can see that this is not like a quick fix. Once you stop taking it, so what it means is like you're always spending your money, and it is expensive. Number 4, it does not cure diabetes. So even though it is being prescribed for diabetes, it is meant to be a short-term effect. Ozempic is not a cure. It helps manage blood sugar levels. If you are diabetic now, Ozempic won't make you not have diabetes. It will help slightly to reduce your sugar levels. But you could do this yourself through diet and exercise. So what are they saying? That they are saying that the high cost that you are paying, the price that you're paying, is not worth it. Knowing that the side effects are there, and just looking at what Sharon Osbourne is going through, nobody wants to do that, to say that things are out of their control. So these are some of the reasons why you should not take it. And number 5, when you come off it, you will put the weight back on again. So this is like putting a band-aid over something. You're just hiding it. It is like a temporary fix. What you need to do, instead of spending your money in this way, is to work on a diet plan, visit a dietitian, start going to the gym, or even exercising at home. For I should let you know as well at this point that we actually have an exercise channel. So if you are struggling to exercise on your own, you definitely could join us when we work on our exercises, and that is targeted exercises, I should say, as well. What I will do is I will put the link in the comment section below so that you can take a look over on our sister channel and see if that is something that you would be interested in. So yes, just to say that, look guys, this quick fix is not worth it. Now she is embarrassed for the way that she looks. Now she is drawing attention to herself, and it is not good attention that is being drawn to her. So guys, this is what is in the news for today. And of course, over the weekend, we will have our weekend edition. Until then, Destiny family, take care of yourselves. And I say, peace.